On our ride out to Pine Island,
This is devastating.
we first see Matlacha, what's left of it, pieces of old Florida gone. Eventually, we make our way to Bokeelia and north to the iconic Captain Khan's, the old fishing pier in shambles, the restaurant badly beat up but still standing. It's south where there's the worst of it. Stringfellow is only one lane in spots. Power poles toppled on the lane east.
I've never seen anything like this in my life.
Once we do get to St. James City, we meet Tom Hahn.
I have no words. It's something I've never seen in my life before. The golf cart's destroyed, the cars are totaled.
He got out before Ian tore through, but we found him on his trip back home.
You know, all the roofs come down. Once a window breaks, it's over.
Inside, part of his roof has come down. Windows are blown out. Insulation is everywhere.
My heart's gone. I'm just questioning, like, why us? But I mean, I know it's happened to other people. But when it happens to you, you don't know what to say. You don't know what to think. I mean, you know, now I know what the people in Katrina and all those hurricanes down in New Orleans have gone through.
This, his slice of paradise, now destroyed. A home he built with his teenage son.
I can't put it into words. I can just say that, you know, it's the most empty, gut-wrenching feeling in the world. But again, we have to be thankful to be alive.
Thankful because Tom worries not all of his fellow islanders are alive. We watched as helicopters dropped down today in possible rescue missions.
All I could do was cry. I'll be honest. You know, they told us that there were bodies in the Matlacha area just floating.
Who told you that?
Sheriff's Department, yeah. And we were just, I mean, I was just crying in tears.
Tom, thankfully, has another home to stay at in Port Charlotte. He's housing 4 neighbors who don't have anywhere else to go. And while the pain now is unimaginable, what's stronger in St. James City than the hurt is the resilience here, the knowing that he and so many other islanders will continue to call this home.
We'll rebuild this community. It was a great community. I'm sure it won't be the same, but it will be rebuilt, and we'll, you know, I talked to my wife about it last night, and she said, I don't want to leave. She said, I don't want to go anywhere. So I guess we're rebuilding, and I'm sure the community will come together when we can, and we'll rebuild.